Hi, welcome to Brainweaver's E-Trade Retail Management System. In today's session, we will discuss about one of the managerial tool, task management. From the utility menu, we can access task management. Otherwise, from the toolbar also, we can activate or invoke the task management window. Here you can see what are the pending tasks at the moment and how many tasks is finished. All such information we can see in this task management window. In your busy life, whatever information or things you need to remember or you need to execute in priority, instead of keeping all such things in your mind, we can put such task in this task management and we can very effectively manage all your pending works based on the priority. It is similar like a diary management. To use this task management, the top side you can see to whom this task is assigning to, the person's mobile number, the department in which he is working, a small brief about the task. For example, I have asked my accountant to meet the auditor this weekend. How to manage this is, suppose Kumar is the accountant's name, enter his mobile number, department accounts. The task I am giving is please meet auditor on 28th July 2024 at 3 p.m. Please arrange, confirm the time. So this is the task I am giving to the accountant, Mr. Kumar, that please meet auditor on 28th July at 3 p.m. Please arrange or confirm the time. Once the task is entered, click on this save button. So the newly created task will appear in the pending task. So how many pending tasks are there? We can see in this pending task area. Every day you need to make a habit of checking this task management whenever you reach office in the morning and in the afternoon also. You need to take this task management, check what are the pending tasks. Here, for example, please meet auditor on 20th July. Suppose today is 27th or 28th July. By checking this task management, we can ask this accountant Mr. Kumar, what is the status of this task? Did you meet the auditor? So you can ask the feedback from this accountant Mr. Kumar. Suppose Kumar has told that the auditor is not available today. He asked us to come again on 2nd August. Then by clicking this modify button, we can write the latest feedback from this accountant Mr. Kumar. Like, meeting is postponed to 2nd August 2024 at 3 p.m. Suppose this is the latest feedback accountant has given to us. By clicking this save button, here we can see the task is modified. By clicking this print button, we can generate a report of what are the pending tasks remain in the task management. Suppose if the task management is being operated by your secretary or the front office person, we can ask the concerned person to generate this report every weekend, and email or WhatsApp this report, so that you can also understand what are the pending tasks you have assigned to various staff or departments and what is the status at the moment. So this managerial tool is very effective. All the efficient managers will use this task management either with the help of a computer or otherwise they have to manage it manually using diary management system. Suppose this task is finished, just choose the task which is finished, and by clicking this close button, this task will be moved to finished task. When we create a task, first it will be moved to pending task. Once the task is finished, by clicking this close button, we can move that finished task into finished task area. Here also, if you want to search any of the finished task from this list, by clicking this search button and giving a few keywords, we can search all the finished task information. So in this way, you can manage your office and business very efficiently without any drop or miss of important things you need to do in your everyday business. Even if it is making a payment or to fulfill a statutory requirement, all such information or all such activity, we can keep it in the pending task management, and we can function this task management very efficiently in Brainweaver's e-trade retail management system. Another utility is short note. Short note can be invoked from the utility menu. We can see a short note feature. Otherwise, in the toolbar also there is an icon called short note. It means nowadays it is very common in the office. All the desktop computer or table will be pasted with yellow stick. All the important things the concerned person need to do, they will write it in a piece of paper and stick it on the monitor. Instead of that, you can keep your office like paperless office. Whatever small things you need to write it on a paper. Instead of that, we can type such matters in this short note. For example, suppose there was a sale of a photo frame, for example, sold photo frame model number 1010, quantity one piece, price 890. Suppose in your store, the concerned person who is authorized to issue the sales invoice, he was not on the seat at the time of a customer visited in your store, and the person he has already sold it and he doesn't know how to make the bill. He can put it as a note in this short note, and when you click this save button, whatever notes you have prepared that the concerned person can see in this browse notes window. So the concerned person, when he come back to the seat, he can check this note history and he can issue the sales invoice against this sales already made at the absence of his time. And if you want to prepare a letter to your bank for the issuance of a check or anything else, you can draft a letter also here like this. So this short note can be used as a notepad, or if you want to keep in mind or remember something, instead of writing all such things in a piece of paper, we can write such notes with the help of this short note and we can save it for permanently here. We can also take the printout of these notes. For example, if I want to take the printout of this note, note number 23, by pressing the enter key, system will display the note here. Since I have selected the printer type as 3-inch format, the default printer format is selected as 3-inch size. For example, here you can see the default printer style I have used is thermal print 3-inch. If I am using it as A5 landscape, here we can see in the previous case the report was or the letter was previewed in a small scale to fit in a 3-inch printer. Now the default printer I have changed to A5 landscape settings. Based on that, system will automatically change the printing format. So you can make use of this note in order to make your office a paperless office. Otherwise, if the matter you are putting it on a piece of paper, there is a chance of missing or losing of that paper. So in order to avoid such situation, we can use this note instead of writing any information in a piece of paper. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.